What's up, y'all? It's Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. As you read by the title, today is the day I have to take my glucose test and I am dreading it. I'm about to show y'all, I guess, a healthier breakfast option they told me to eat because I don't eat sausage, I don't eat bacon, and I don't eat eggs. So this was the next best thing and it's not appealing, but it'll do. This is what I gotta eat this morning before my glucose test: some oatmeal, apples, and some tofu sausages. And of course I gotta drink some water. But once I drink this, first of all, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. You have to drink it in 5 minutes and you can't eat or drink anything after it. And the doctor told me, basically, I chose the fruit punch flavor. The doctor told me it basically tastes like a kid poured too much sugar in the Kool-Aid, and I haven't had Kool-Aid since I was probably like 5 or under. I don't know, y'all. I don't drink Kool-Aid, so I don't like Kool-Aid and sugary drinks and stuff like that. So I don't know how this is gonna go. And you also have to drink it in 5 minutes without throwing up. So, and then 1 hour from the time that I finish it, I have to get my blood drawn. So I'm gonna let y'all see me drink this drink, see if I could chug it or not. I don't know. But yes, I am 7 months today, 28 weeks. And yeah, this is my 7-month checkup. Usually how it goes is we get there, they call us back, they weigh me, they check the baby's heartbeat, they measure my stomach just to make sure the baby is growing properly. And yeah, so don't mind my hair, y'all. I just washed it and this is what happens. Make sure y'all check out those updates too because it's been rough, but we making it. All right, y'all, so this is the drink. The lady said if I get it super cold, then it tastes better. I got fruit punch flavor and I'm so scared because you can see it looks like water, a small bottle of water, but it's super thick, and she said it's just super sugary. So I don't know. I got a bag in case I throw up. So basically told me to take it at home and not while I'm on the way there or nothing like that. So of course, because I got to take it 30 minutes before my appointment, and then I get my blood drawn an hour after I finish it. Let me pray. All right, y'all, cheers. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Watch the time, please. It's actually good. It's like juice. I was scared for no reason. I swear it's like fruit punch, but it does get sweet the more you drink it. The bottom is the worst. Watch the clock. I'm almost done, babe. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? 9:01. 9:01. Y'all, I'm up here. I killed that in 1 minute. Okay, now on to get my blood drawn. Let's see how well my body breaks down sugar. All right, guys, here I am at my appointment. Look at my baby bump. It's so cute. And they didn't really do much but ask questions like they always do. Y'all know how that goes if you've experienced being pregnant before. All right, so now I'm getting my blood drawn. They use that sharp needle, y'all, the long one. I got probably like 3, 4, I don't know how many tubes drawn. But yeah, in the end, basically, I passed my glucose test. Yay. All right, y'all, now it's time to make some DIY centerpieces and DIY flower walls. And the paint wasn't too strong for me because the wind was blowing. It was like super windy, so I didn't smell any strong fumes. Quick little ASMR, but they turned out pretty. I like that I had control over how pink I wanted them. Now I'm basically just laying the flowers out and gluing them where I want them. All right, now it's time to start on the actual centerpieces. All right, so I put the styrofoam ball in there using hot glue gun. I stick it in there. Then I take some scissors and I make a hole. Then I take the wooden stick to make the hole actually deeper. Then I put the stick in the flower ball and inserted it completely into the styrofoam. And I took a white ribbon and wrapped it around. Basically, I hot glue gunned the white ribbon to the stick. Then I hot glued the pink ribbon on top of the white ribbon. I took a sticker that says "It's a girl" and I put it in the front of the flower pot. Then I grabbed some tissue paper and I just stuffed it inside of the flower pot just to cover the white styrofoam ball. You can hot glue it. And lastly, I just took the cutout of the ballerina girl and glued it onto the front of the flower pot. And you can see me repeating these steps one more time. It seems like it should have been quick and easy, but recording took way longer. And of course, this was my first time, so they weren't perfect, but they were good enough. And of course, you can add some more decor to the tissue paper, but I chose to just leave it as is. And there you have it, my DIY baby shower centerpieces. This was a ballerina theme baby shower for a baby girl, of course. And yes, I'm so proud of myself because look, they are so beautiful. Look at the detail, y'all. It's so cute. And I got most of everything from Amazon to make these centerpieces. Oh, and I decided to go back and add diamonds to the flower wall just for a pop. It made a little bit of a difference. And all I did was put these together on a wall using a thumbtack, and it made it look like a whole flower wall. And of course, for my baby shower prep, I had to make a quick stop to the nail salon. And of course, I had to get my locks retwisted for my baby shower. I have a whole video on my channel, check it out. That was my mom, y'all, acting up, sorry. But anyways, this is us just prepping the area for the baby shower. And this is my little sister in the camera doing the most as per usual.
She got me bopping, y'all. Everybody sit down and doing work, but I got me doing bopping. I don't understand. Yeah, so sorry. When you get here, just know that your mama got me mopping, cleaning. I just for you now. I just for you, sorry. So if you come out ungrateful and spoil, I don't want to talk. I'm not speaking out this mom, sorry. See how your mama treated me? Okay. When you get here, and if you turn out anything like that, I'm gonna put my hands on you. I'm gonna put my hands on you. And I don't care what your mama say.
You're gone if I shave your head.
I don't care what your mama say. Look at this. Look at your uncle. Uncle D. Uncle D. Sorry, your uncle right there, he got problems, okay? When you get here, stay away from him. Okay? You see me? There's this little TikTok. Somebody, anybody, everybody scream. Ah! There's squirrels in my pants. That squirrel's got some serious squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in my pants. Squirrels, squirrels, squirrels in my pants.
Okay, so I left this clip in because my siblings got some serious problems. Why is he pretending to be a GTA character? Like, y'all see this? Like, y'all seen the videos going around? He's literally pretending to be, yeah. It's like GTA in real life. Like, look at the movements. We're just gonna pray for them. And when I say I was a brat this day, I had got mad because the chairs was done wrong, y'all. I took apart like 10 chairs. I had made them redo them. I can't imagine my wedding day. So, you guys, we are still in the process of setting up. But this is, what time is it? I don't know. But this is going to be the gift table when we're done. We got Chris and Prit over here. They just put up baby girl. They working on the, what's next? Some, what is that? Decorations. So this is a food table. This is another food table. We just got some extra tables right here. These are just, of course, guest tables. We got the baby boxes. I got to finish working on those. So those are my project. That is my project because it's easy. So we got these little, I don't know what these are, but they're cute. So we're going to hang these from You see the lamps, the lights, and then what else we got? Just a lot. We still got a lot more to go. But you see, they working on these, super cute. We got Ina. That's exactly how she
working me like a dog.
That's exactly how she look. We got Nuke over here. We got Des. We got Jasmine. We got the flower over here. This is the dessert table. And this is me and Desmond's area. I gotta put another one of these on that side, but yeah, you get it. So this was the finishing table setup. It was so cute. All right, so the details, we had table 1. We got the baby napkins with the gold napkin holders. We got little roses on the table. Got the baby boxes. I had little tutu skirts pinned all across the room on the walls. I had her initials and some more flowers. We had the dessert table, everything laid out, cupcake holders. There's her name, Azaria. And yeah, we just did some serious cleaning before doing this. Of course, mopping, wiping tables, just everything, y'all. This took all day. This is the food table with some serving utensils and some gloves. We got the baby girl and the balloon arc over here. We got some baby games. All right, so we got the how many kisses are in the jar. And we got the don't say baby game. All right, now it's the morning of, and I'm getting my makeup done. I just love how my makeup turned out. It ended up setting perfectly. Shout out to Destiny.
30 seconds.
No. 2 minutes on the clock.
No, don't time me. Okay.
What are y'all doing? Y'all know how to change the diaper?
Can I get another diaper?
You lost.
No. Give me another diaper.
You lost.
Give me another diaper. Another diaper.
Yeah.
Another diaper. Here we go.
Hell, you took the other folks. Stop. Oh my God.
15.
Let me see. Ina, check them. It got to be turned the right way and fastened. At least.
5 seconds. 1.
He taping his fingers up.
Is this that?
Time.
Is it really?
Go.
They're going to take them down.
What happened to it? Oh, wait.
Why are you looking like that? What's wrong with his face? Why is he looking like that?
No, this is okay.
Who done? No. Okay. You automatically. Last round. There's only 2 people in the next round.
Oh, wow.
God. Is that tighter?
He about to die.
They are shaking. I quit.
Hold on. All mixed rings cooked.
Nope.
That's a 3 musketeers. Crunch bar.
No, y'all all wrong.
I know what this is. Wait, Kit Kat. Snickers. No, Kit Kat. This is a 3 musketeers. Kit Kat. Milk.
No.
Milk chocolate.
No, okay.
Is it milk chocolate?
Chris was the only one to guess right.
So it's a baby.
You, Chris.
That's a Kit Kat.
It's a what?
That's a Milky Way. The baby room. Kit Kat. Ain't no Kit Kat. Kit Kat ain't got nuts on.
All right, we got a winner. Ina.
The candy was a crunch bar.
Now it was time to open some gifts. And some of my family didn't want to be seen, so I had to just cut out some stuff. Of course, my favorite part of the baby shower was the decor. They did so good on the balloon arc, y'all. I forgot to show my food. The food was bomb too, y'all. It was blessing.
When y'all come over there, she said she gonna take.
Y'all don't know what I thought I was doing after the baby shower. I was trying to record I guess, unget ready with me. Y'all, these lashes felt like they was super glued. Like, it's like I was pulling skin. Y'all, I'm over here dying. Like, was the noise really necessary, y'all? Look at it. Oh my God. Baby, I ripped my eyelid off or something. That just mean there was some good lash glue, y'all. Not the tear. That's how you know it was a struggle. But that's pretty much the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. See you in the next video.